Yo, you making breakfast? We gotta get going. I got classes in like 5 minutes.
Well, I'm in a rush too, so I'm probably just gonna make some toast.
Yeah, toast is bland and boring. We need something to spice up our morning.
But there's nothing else to eat.
Yo, only there's something like quick and delicious we can make before classes because we gotta go. We gotta get to classes on time.
Did someone say bacon?
All I said is we needed something better than toast. Who the hip are you?
First of all, where did the beef come from? Anyways, unless there's some way that
Well, Kirkland brand microwave bacon has got you covered. All you gotta do is open the package, put in a few strips, and wait 6 seconds per strip.
Only 6 seconds?
See how it works.
Hi, my name is Dr. Kirkland B. Bacon, breakfast consumer and professional baconologist. Let me start by saying that studies have shown that people that consume Kirkland brand microwavable bacon live. The science behind the bacon is all in the numbers. Ever since the study of bacon back in the 80s, professionals like myself discovered a certain type of pre-cooked bacon that will react with the electron waves of the microwave to produce a rapid, record-time bacon that we all love today.
if you ever find yourself in a rush, in need of something to eat for breakfast, either on your way to the bus, school, or college, just grab some Kirkland brand microwave bacon and you'll be on your way in seconds. Go to your local Costco to pick up your Kirkland brand microwave bacon today. So, we can now eat delicious bacon with our toast and make it to class on time?
Exactly, have some before you go.
Thank you, weird stranger who just appeared in our locked college dorm room with bacon.
Don't thank me, thank Kirkland brand microwave bacon.
You can pick up Kirkland brand microwave bacon at the low price of $8.99 plus $321.99 shipping and handling. And if you call in the next 5 minutes, we'll triple that price for free. So just call 1-800-588-2300 today.
Kirkland brand microwave bacon is not responsible for any violent actions, including homicide, manslaughter, or anything beside the consumption of bacon. Please do not try to shove yourself inside a microwave as an act of receiving the bacon. Kirkland brand microwave bacon does not tolerate any forms of copyright or trademark infringement. Batteries not included.
If only there was something quick and delicious to cook so that we have time to...
What?
First of all, where did the beep come from? Anyways, unless you can help...
Well, Kirkland brand microwave.
First of all, where did the beep come from? Anyways, unless you can help us out...
Whoa!
Gunner.
First of all, where did the beep come from? Anyways, unless there's a way that you can help us First of all, where did the beep come from? Anyways, unless there's some...
Well, Kirkland brand microwave oven has got you covered. Alright, let's go again. We're doing this until it's perfect.
Damn, I'm